How to turn off seen status on Instagram messages. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn off seen status on Instagram messages. And before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. And without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So to turn off seen status, or which is normally known as read receipts on Instagram, you can disable them globally from your settings. So to do that, first locate your Instagram app, open it up, and go to your profile at the bottom right corner. After you're on your profile, tap on the three lines on the top right, that is the menu, and you should be on the settings and activity section. After you're on your settings and activity, you'll need to go to messages and story. So scroll down till you find messages and story section. So there you can see messages and story. Tap on it. And after you're there, you'll find the show read receipts option under who can see that you're online. Tap on show read receipts. Then disable this. After you've toggled this off, now others will not be able to see if you've read their messages. This also applies to you, so you will not be able to know if they have read your messages or not. And it's that simple. Now, for some, the feature for specific chat is also available. So head over to the bottom right, on the DM section, go to a chat, then tap on your top profile. And now from here, head over to privacy and safety. From here, you'll see the read receipts option. Simply toggle this off. And after you've toggled it off, you're good to go. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.